Okay. See now what is given in the fifth question of exercise 2.4. Okay, who will solve this? Akshara Siddiq aapse only. She has raised the hand. Okay, Siddhi. First one you try.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to write in expanded form.
Okay.
So before the decimal point, the number is 20. So we will write 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1.
ओके फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस पार्ट ना, थोड़ी देर के लिए ये पार्ट को हम लोग साइड में रखते हैं. ओके ये कौन से प्लेस का डिजिट है? दिस इज वंस प्लेस डिजिट. ओके
Yes.
दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज टेंस प्लेस डिजिट.
Tens place digit. So it will come 10. 10
Now
and
tell
1
me this zero, this is one
upon 10.
tenth, 1/10th, and this is what? This is
1 upon 100.
1/100. Okay, so now 20.03. How we will write this? 2
2
multiplied.
in
Yes.
10
Hmm.
plus 0 multiplied by 1
Okay.
plus 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10
Okay.
plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100.
3 multiplied by 1/100. This is the expanded form. Okay. Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay, next one. Who will try? Okay, Darshana Khandelwal will try. Next one. Darshana Khandelwal.
Second one is 2.03. So first we will 2 multiply by 1
Okay.
plus 0 multiply by 1 upon 10
Okay.
plus 3 multiply by 1 upon 100.
Correct. So this will be the expanded form. Correct. Okay, next one. Who will try? Akshara.
Yes, sir.
Tell this one. 200.0.
Sir, 2 into 100
Correct.
plus 0 into 10
Uh,
plus 0 into 1
uh,
plus 0 into 1 upon 10
uh.
plus 3 into 1 upon 100.
Correct. This will be the expanded form. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Huh.
Sir, because of network issue.
Okay, next one. Who will try? Next one. Who will try? 2.034. Yatharth will try this. Okay, Yatharth. Yatharth Poplia.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 2 into 1.
Wait a minute, let me write it. 2.034. So 2 into 1, correct?
0 into 1
0 into 1 by 10.
by 10.
Hmm. Plus
3
3
into 1 by 100.
and plus.
4 into 1 by 1000.
Okay. So this will be the expanded form. Okay. Mute yourself. Next
Sir, you
question.
unmuted me.
हाँ तो म्यूट कर लो ना आप. You know how to mute. Okay, next question. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. So what is the place value? 2 कहाँ पे है? Ones place पे है. Okay. 2 कहाँ पे है? Ones place पे. So what is its place value then? Place value of 2 place value of 2 in 2.56. It is what? It is 2 only because it is at ones place. अगर ये 2 tens place पे होता तो उसका place value क्या आता था फिर? If this 2 was at a tens place, suppose this was like this, 2 1.56 होता तो अभी place value क्या हो जाएगा? अभी place value हो जाएगा 20 क्योंकि 2 जो है वो tens place पे आ गया है. If it is like this 201.56, what is the place value now? What is the place value now? 200. Okay. What is the place value now? 200. Harsh Lahoti, it will be 200, not 2000. Ones, tens, hundreds place it is. Okay. So it will be 200. So likewise, tell me the next one. Who will try the next one? Okay, Akshara will try the next one. 21.37 में 2 का place value बताना है आपको.
Sir, the place value of 2 is 20 means tens.
Place value of 2 in 21.37 is 20.
20.
Okay.
10.
Because it is at tens place, so its place value will become 20. Okay, next one. $10.25. Tell who will answer this? Okay, Om Jadhav will answer this.
Sir, place value of 2 into 10.25 is 2 by 10.
Is what? 2 by 10. Correct. So what is 2 by 10? इसको convert करो. 2 by 10 को convert simplest form में लिख सकते ना हम लोग.
1 by 5.
1 by 5. Okay. 2 by 10 also is correct. This is also correct. No problem. Okay, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Who will try the next one? Divyal will try the next one. Divyal Jain. Divyal will try the next one. Divyal Jain. Divyal, can you hear me? Is she there or not? Okay, Trisha Bajaj. Trisha Bajaj.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Place value of 2 in, tell me the place value. 63.352. What it will be?
So 2 upon
2 upon 1000.
10,000.
1000 beta.
10,000.
1000.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Mute yourself. Noise is coming.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So is it clear to you how we write the place value of any number in the decimal? Please give the response in the chat box first. Yes, yes, we can convert this into 1 by 500 also. Is it clear to you? Okay. Next one. Palak, what you are saying? One's place. I'm not getting it. How can we write one's place? Which one's place? One's place यानी multiplied by 1 होता है one's place. Tens place यानी multiplied by 10 होता है. Palak,
If it is 63.352 and 2 is at the ones place after the decimal point, then what we will write?
63 point
252 253.
Okay, 253. 2 यहाँ पे आपका बोलना ऐसा है. Okay. So what will be the place value then? It will be 2 by 10. अगर यहाँ पे होगा, ये प्लेस पे होगा, 5 के जगह पे 2 होगा, तो इट विल बी 2 by 100. आपका 2 यहाँ पे था थर्ड प्लेस पे, तो व्हाट इट विल बिकम 2 by 1000. समझ में आया क्या आपको?
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Next question, who will try? Next question. Anshika Gilda will try the next question.
Yes, sir.
What we will do here?
Sir, first we will convert the fraction into decimal.
हम लास्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं ना बेटा, पहले सॉल्व कर लेते हैं ना यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
That is the better option.
4 plus 2 is equals to 6
हाँ
upon 9.
हाँ. So what it will become after simplifying it? This will become 2 by 3.
3 upon 2 by 3.
Okay. Now convert it into decimal. So what it will come?
Yes.
0.667. 66 is the recurring factor, so I have taken 7.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, next one. Who will try? Doubt. Om Ganesh Yadav, what doubt do you have? Yes, Om.
Sir, how is 0.667 come?
Divide करो ना, division करो. नहीं आ रहा है आपको तो. हाँ, बोलो ओम, क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिवाइड होता है क्या? ये नहीं होता है, तो
नहीं सर.
0 पॉइंट और यहाँ पे 0 लेना पड़ेगा. What is 3 6 18?
18 2.
हाँ. Next again we will take 0. Again 3 6 18. Again 2. Again it will repeat. So I have taken 667. It is repeating now, so I have taken 667.
Okay, sir.
Palak, what you did not understood now? Palak Jain. पलक जाए.
Sir, if we write only 66, 0.66, so it is not okay. We have to write one number.
No, it's okay. That is also correct. This is also correct. It was repeating, so that's why I put here 7. You can write 0.66 also, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one. Who will try the next one? Yatharth.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. बोलो. Rugved, you can write 0.66 also. 7 नहीं भी लिखा तो भी चलेगा. Okay, हाँ बोलो यथार्थ.
We have to find LCM of 11 and 7.
What is the LCM?
Sir, it, sir, 77.
Correct. 77 is the LCM. So 2 upon 11 is the first fraction and second fraction is what? 5 upon 7. तो डिनोमिनेटर में 77 आना चाहिए. 11 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. Okay.
And
Here,
7 to 11.
हाँ. So what it will come then? 14 upon
14 upon 14 upon 77 and 66 upon 77. Sorry, 55 upon 77.
So what it will come finally now?
Sir, it will come.
Kshitij Nilesh Biyani is in your class? 7th standard?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 69 by 77.
What it is coming? 69 by 77. Now do the division. So 77 will come here, 69 will go inside. So 0.0. What will come? 77 को किससे multiply करूं? अभी आपको वो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. 6 से करके देखो कितना आता है. 6 7 जा 42. 6 7 जा 42 plus 4.
4.
462. Still we have to go further. 77 को 7 से multiply करके देखो. 7 7 जा 49.
49 carry 4 and
53.
sir
9 से करके देखो.
63. 3 and 6 carry.
3 and 6 carry. 63 plus 6.
69.
See, it is greater than, हाँ. यहाँ पे 690 चाहिए. 693 आ रहा है. So we will have to take here 8 za. Now calculate 77 8 za. How much it is coming? 8 7 za 56. 5 carry. 8 7 za 56 plus 5 61. Now subtract this.
Sir, 4
4 यहाँ पे 7.
7 and 0.
So now 77 how much za? 9 za.
Sorry. Sir,
Nine-
it will not come. Sir, 770.
740 है ये. 740 है. 9 आएगा वो. 693 हमने ऑलरेडी निकाल के रखा है यहाँ. Okay, so 0.89 will be the answer. 0.2 decimals are more than enough. 0.89 will be the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Who will try the next one? Only the regular students. They are only Harshvardhan Jadhav will try. Harshvardhan Jadhav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, what? Sir, first we will take the LCM 1545.
ये देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे मैं 8/15 प्लस 7/45 और ये 4 को मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ ना, 4/1.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now we will take the LCM. Now tell me what is the LCM?
Sir, fine. Sir, 5 5 15.
डिनोमिनेटर में क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? 15, 45 और 1। सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 45। तो 15 को हम लोग डिवाइड कर 45 को हम लोग 15 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, और 1 को तो हम किसी से भी कर सकते हैं। दैट मीन्स 45 इज द एलसीएम। यस और नो?
15 is the answer. 15 is the LCM.
45 is the LCM. Okay, so 8 by 15 plus 7 by 45 plus 4 by 1. हाँ, now do the multiplication. यहाँ पे 3 से करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि 45 लाना है डिनोमिनेटर। यहाँ पे 1 से, यहाँ पे भी 1 से, यहाँ पे 45 से करना पड़ेगा।
45.
हाँ, now tell me what it will come. 24 divided by 45, 7 divided by
7 upon 45.
and this will come 180 divided by 45.
90,
Okay. Now do the addition of all the numerators. So what it will come?
187 plus 24.
187 plus
Sir,
24.
211. Sir, 211.
Is it correct? 211. Others, please check it. Is it
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Others, please check it whether the addition is correct or not. Okay. Last step, division करना है अभी। 211 को 45 से डिवाइड करना है।
45.
हाँ, 4 is 180. कितना बचेगा? ये 1, 21 में से 18
Sir,
गए
1,
3।
1, 8, 9, 11, 1, 131.
हाँ, पॉइंट यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा। 45 हाउ मच जा लेना पड़ेगा अभी?
Sir, 2.
2 जा 90 होता है
Sir,
बेटा, हमको 310 पे पहुंचना है।
Sir, 3.
6 और 7 जा करके
40,
देखो,
45.
6 जा करके देखो, इट विल कम 270।
45 into 6 equals 30.
40 it will come. Next take 1 0 here. What will be the next value
Sir,
then?
हाँ, 2, sir.
45 9 जा, how much it is?
445.
405। 8 जा लेना पड़ेगा। 4.68 is the answer.
Sir, 8 जा. Sir, 8 जा.
4.68 is the answer.
4.68.
Okay. Mute yourself. Next one.
सर अगर अपने को डेसिमल से फ्रैक्शन में लेना तो?
डेसिमल से फ्रैक्शन में लेना, ये ऑलरेडी फ्रैक्शन में ही था, देखो उसको हमने डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट किया है।
ओके सर।
नेक्स्ट वन, चलो नेक्स्ट वन फास्ट, वी विल हैव टू डू इट फास्ट। आप लोग बहुत टाइम ले रहे हो। पलक जैन विल ट्राई द नेक्स्ट वन।
Sir, first we'll do the 23 upon 9
23 upon 9, हाँ,
plus 11 upon 3
11 upon 3 next,
plus 16 upon 7.
हाँ next.
Then we will do the LCM of 9, 3 and 7.
So what is the LCM?
Sir, the LCM come Sir, the LCM come as 63.
LCM come as 63. Okay, 63 is the LCM. हाँ,
Sir, then we will yes sir.
बोलो ना
Sir,
आप।
then we will write 23, then 11 upon 3 and 16 upon 7. Sir, then we will do 7s are and here we will do 21s are. Here we will do 9s are.
What is 23 sevens?
Yes sir, then the answer come as yes sir.
23 sevens.
Sir, 23 sevens is 161. 161 upon 63.
Please check the calculations. Others will check the calculation. 21 into 11. Better do it fast. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, plus 1, 23.
231.
231 divided by 63. Plus next is what? 16 nines are 144 हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. 144 upon 63.
हाँ, सबका एडिशन करो कितना आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
6,
And LCM comes as
13, 3
uh,
plus 2, 5. 536.
the
530.
answer comes. Yes, sir.
536 divided by 63. Now perform the division and tell me the answer in decimal.
Yes, sir.
Others also will do the division. 536 divided by 63 करना है आपको. Answer बताना है मुझे. I will write the answer here directly. You do the division now. What is the answer? 536.
8.50, sir.
8.50. Is it so? Everyone is getting the same answer?
So comes more.
161 plus 231 plus 144 is 536 divided by 63 is 8.50. Correct. 8.50 is the answer. So
Yes, sir.
the answer is 8.50. Next question, mute yourself, Palak. Now question number 8. What they have said in question number 8, calculate the following after converting in the decimals up to 2 digits right of the decimal. यानी decimal के बाद 2 digits आने चाहिए आपको. Okay. तो इसको solve करना है सबसे पहले. So how we will solve this? See, the denominator is already same. So what it will come? 11 minus 7, that is 4 upon 15. Now convert this 4 upon 15 into decimal. Okay. So 15 will come outside, 4 will go inside. ये 40 हो जाएगा, ये 0 point हो जाएगा. Okay. 2 is what? 30. What is remaining? 10 is remaining. Okay. So we'll take one more 0. So what it will come? 6 is 90. That's it. आपको बस 2 decimal लिखना है. 0.26. Is it okay? .26. Okay. Next one. And now here the denominator is different. So what we will do? We will take the LCM of the denominator. Okay. Who will try this? Okay. Arya Mirk. Tell me fast, Arya.
Yes, sir. Sir, the LCM of 5 and 3 is equals to
Your voice is
15.
breaking.
When
Your
we
voice is breaking.
will
Your voice is breaking.
converting, it is equals to 12 by 15.
Your voice is breaking. Wait.
5 by 15. So the minus.
Your voice is breaking. Wait. You mute yourself. Okay. So here, what will be the LCM? Tell me the LCM. LCM of denominator will be what? It will be 15. Okay. तो 4 by 5 into 3 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी 3 आ जाएगा, minus 1 by 3 into 5, यहाँ पे भी 5 आ जाएगा. So what we will get? 12 upon 15 minus 5 upon 15. So 12 minus 5, what it is? 7 upon 15. Do the division and tell me the answer. 7 by 15. How much it comes? 0.46 it will come. Okay, only 2 decimals you have to write after the decimal point, 2 digits after the decimal point. So the answer will be 0.46. Okay. Now pay attention. Question number 9 is homework to you. Question number 9 is homework to you. Simple addition and subtraction is there. Question number 9 आप लोग solve करेंगे. Okay. और question number 8 के भी ये दोनों जो बाकी है, okay, C and D, that is also homework. Question number 8 C and D and question number 9 is complete homework to you. Question number 9 काफी easy है, simple addition और subtraction है decimals का. Okay. And you will do it in CW only. Any doubt to anyone? You can ask me. Any doubt to anyone? Okay, question number 9 complete. Question number 9 is homework. Yes, Shravani More, what's the problem?
Sir, send me questions of homework.
Okay, fine. Yes, question number 10 tomorrow I will take. No, Vaishnavi, it is homework and it is quite easy. I will not show you question number 9. आपको simple addition और subtraction भी नहीं आता है बोले तो फिर it's difficult then. What is so difficult in this question, Vaishnavi? 84.58 में से 29.99 को subtract करना है. ये subtraction नहीं आता है आपको simple?